Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope you guys are all doing well and keeping safe. I'm back with a new video. So I'm just realizing that a lot of you guys have been commenting on our videos requesting that we do more affordable wig options that come from Amazon, especially being that the prices seem to have skyrocketed everywhere. So when Original Queen reached out to me wanting me to try their new headband wigs, especially being that headband wigs seem to be trending these days, and I'm going to explain to you guys why in just a second. I was actually super excited being that I love Original Queen for their kinky curly textured wigs. In my opinion, they have the best kinky curly textured wigs on Amazon, period. So yeah, I decided to hop on board and pick one up, and this is the wig that I have today. Once again, this wig does come from Original Queen. I will leave all the information in the info section below, so be sure to check them out. This is their new headband wig, and my wig also came with 5 headbands, various different designs and patterns. My wig is 180% density and 20 inches in length. It is their kinky curly texture, and it's also 100% human hair, so you can flat iron it, you can bleach it, color it, curl it, so on and so forth. Right now I'm just going in and I am shampooing the hair as I usually do. You can't be too careful these days. Be sure to stay safe, you guys. Wash your hair. But in case you guys are wondering, like, why are these headband wigs trending? Like, why are they like everywhere? How come I can't find an affordable lace front wig? I did some research because I was wondering, and I came to find out that there's actually a global shortage on lace. It seems to me that in Switzerland and in France, they are closing off their borders and they're no longer shipping to like China or to the US, being that the whole, pandemic that's going on right now. You can't really get your hands on any lace. I want to say it's with the hair too. So in case you guys are wondering why lace wigs cost like over $200 now, is because there's like a shortage on the lace. And so be sure to take care of the wigs that you do have. We're definitely going to be including more natural hair videos here on this channel, so if you guys have any requests, be sure to let us know. But in the meantime, we're gonna let you guys see how we maintain our wigs and how they're able to last for years on end, because we don't really know what's next. It seems to me that everything is like literally going downhill. But let's go ahead and get into this wig. Like I just explained to you guys, I went ahead and I shampooed and conditioned the hair. I allowed the hair to dry overnight and get into these curls. This is the reason why I love Original Queen. They have the best curly hair wigs on Amazon. Check them out, like seriously. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. I went ahead and did this first style. It's just a very basic style, going back, a little cocked to the side a bit, and I applied my leopard headband and get into this style, get into the curls. I absolutely love it. I love the length where it hits the fullness. You guys, get into this hair. So the next style I'm going to do is just an effortless high bun. Now these styles can go from running errands, from going to school to work. If you guys have like a little event going on, going to the gym, any of these styles will definitely work for any situation that you have. So once again, I'm just going to do this high little bun, and I applied a different headband. So you guys get into this next look. Okay, so this next style is a little more youthful, a little fun. So if you, once again, if you guys are going to school, if you guys have like a little date that you're going on, these styles will go for anything. Like, I don't even really know how to explain them, but I'm just doing what comes to mind with flows. And so I wanted to do like a half up, half down look. And I remember wearing my hair like this when I was younger, and it was my go-to style, just, you know, half up, half down. And so yeah, I get into this next look. So I'm going to go ahead and change out my headband, and this next style is very conservative. Like, I personally would wear this to the gym, you know, but there could be a lot of you guys out there who might want to wear this to work, and you got to each his own. Just, you know, whatever style you choose to come up with, you know, share with me in the comment section, like, how would you wear your headband wig? Like, because I just couldn't really think of too many different styles, but this is definitely a gym look for me. It's super effortless, it's super easy, my hair won't be in my face, in my way. So yeah, get into this next style. So last but definitely not least, I wouldn't be me if I wasn't picking up a bottle of water to spritz on my hair. But I'm just gonna do this really simple, easy, wet and curly look, especially being that with all the other styles I was doing, I kind of developed a little bit of frizz. So you can see how versatile this hair is. All you gotta do is spray down with a little bit of water. If you wanna add some gel, you can kind of get that wash and go look. But I am just using a water-based leave-in conditioner to kind of help seal in all that moisture and add some shine. And then I had this kind of tropical vacation vibe headband that's kind of giving me like Cancun, the Caribbean. It was giving me like ocean vibes. So with this, you know, little wet and curly look, I decided to add that headband, and my roots were still a little dry, so I just kind of combed it out just a bit just to add some volume. And this style, yes, it's definitely giving me vacation vibes, especially being that, you know me, I would wear this hairstyle in the winter time. I live in Arizona, don't judge me. So but yeah, you guys let me know which one was your favorite style. If you guys have headband wigs, do you guys like them? Are they easier for you rather than lace front wigs? Are you guys going to be, you know, getting used to wearing headband wigs or taking care of your own hair now that it seems to be like a lace shortage? You guys let me know. I want to know. But yeah, you guys definitely check out Original Queen on Amazon. Once again, all the information will be left down below. Amazon Prime Day is coming up, so you guys take advantage, especially if you guys want to save some money. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.